So today I'm going to talk about Bellafill. We're going to go from start to finish in terms of what it is, how it works, is it safe, where do you use it, how much does it cost, all those types of topics we'll cover today. So let's first talk about fillers in general. So fillers are first of all used to restore volume in parts of the face that we naturally lose volume, and everybody goes through this process, unfortunately. It's just part of aging. So that includes areas through the mid-face, which basically means under the eyes, along the cheeks, into even the temples, which then leads to sagging and drooping and creases in the nasolabial fold, marionette line. So really it's throughout the face that we lose volume. So fillers are used to restore that volume. Lots of different fillers. There are a whole bunch of them, probably about a dozen or so, that are made of something called hyaluronic acid, which is a natural substance, but your body breaks it down usually in about 6 to 12 months. So that's one type. Then you have Radiesse, which is a calcium-based filler. It typically lasts a little bit longer than the ones I just mentioned. Then you get into Sculptra, which lasts typically about 2 years, and that is a filler that actually stimulates collagen production by your body, which leads us to Bellafill. Bellafill also stimulates your body to produce collagen, but it lasts much longer. It's FDA proven to last at least 5 years. In fact, there's been a recent 10-year study that's come out to show that it's both effective and safe during that 10-year period. So it's by far the longest lasting filler. So that's how Bellafill fits into this family of different fillers.